Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure ActiveCampaign for marketing automation. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Log in to your ActiveCampaign account. Navigate to the Automations tab located in the main menu. Click on the Create an Automation button. Choose a starting point for your automation. You can select from scratch for complete customization. Alternatively, pick a pre-built template if you prefer a quick setup. Once you select your option, click Continue. Now, you will see the Automation Builder. First, add a trigger by clicking on the plus Add Trigger button. Select a trigger type that suits your marketing goal. Options include page visits, form submissions, or contact list changes. Configure the specific settings for your chosen trigger. Once set, click Add Start. Next, add actions to your automation. Click on the plus icon to see action options. Choose actions such as sending a campaign, adding a tag, or updating a contact. Follow the prompts to customize each action. For instance, if you select Send an email, you will need to choose or create your email. Adjust settings for the action as necessary. Continue adding actions until your flow is complete. Next, set up any conditions you need for your automation. Click on the plus icon and select Condition. Configure each condition based on your marketing strategies. After all actions and conditions are in place, review your automation. Make sure each trigger, condition, and action aligns with your objectives. When satisfied, toggle the switch from inactive to active. Your automation is now live. Monitor its performance using the reports in the automation's dashboard. Adjust the elements as needed based on the insights you gather. Congratulations, your ActiveCampaign is now configured for effective marketing automation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.